guys, this is going to be a well, an addition to the last bit of video, which is now getting released on Sunday. Today is not Sunday, but it might be released today, who knows. Yeah, so what we're going to do is this little video is an addition to that, and it's going to be what the Mivv exhaust, you know, the Pro, the Mivv Pro, whatever it's called, what that sounds like on the road. So yeah, we'll open it up in a little bit, but it is a bit wet. Going over to meet one of my mates, so let's see if we can open it up a little bit. Lots of little pops and bangs out of it. See, hopefully you can hear it really well, because I've got a mic in my back pocket, so hopefully it's picking up pretty well. It really goes with the bike. Usually, to be fair, I wouldn't actually come out on a day like this, but it's supposed to be nicer later. So I'm going to. Yeah, I'm hoping that the weather starts picking up a little bit. But while I'm out, I thought I'll make this video because I've been looking forward to this exhaust for about nearly 2 months. I ordered it from Italy on eBay. They took forever, so they said that they sent it out the day I bought it, and then they didn't send it out until literally the day that it was supposed to receive it. So yeah. I'll try and talk a bit less so you can actually hear the exhaust a bit better. Check try the rain mode out actually. It's I've never actually used it, so see what that's like, eh? See if it actually makes a difference. I think it makes a difference for the exhaust actually. One thing is, you can't help but try and, you know, get them little pops and bangs every time you're riding it. But it does massively transform the bike. Like before, I was a bit like, it's a bit like a scooter. I mean, obviously it's got the power, it's got the speed, it's just not really got, you know, the sound to it. And now it's got the sound. It's like, oh my god, yeah, it's, you know, you can just go and be a nuisance. I mean, the neighbours last night, I actually installed these last night, but I couldn't continue to obviously film the video because, yeah, next door I've got kids, and you know, I didn't really want to wake them. It's not fair. So yeah. Still sounds alright in rain mode. I don't know if there's any difference really. I don't know, I don't think it opens anything up, you know, any dynamic. I could be wrong. Still sounds alright. Oh, they're the blue skies that we're after. It's still little pops and bangs out of it. Let's put it in road mode. Starting to pick up a bit over here. I'm glad, because I can't sit behind these cars for too long. It's annoying me. Dynamite, there you go.